Welcome to Amara's Good Stuff. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of Medusa, one of the most famous figures in Greek mythology. Did you know that Medusa had snakes for hair and could turn anyone who looked at her into stone? But her story isn't just about magic, it's full of adventure, mystery, and important lessons. Long ago, Medusa was not always a fearsome creature. She was once a beautiful young woman, admired for her charm and flowing hair. People would tell stories about her kindness and elegance. But her life changed forever when she caught the attention of Poseidon, the god of the seas, in a temple of Athena. This angered Athena, who transformed Medusa's beautiful hair into writhing snakes and gave her the power to turn anyone who looked directly at her into stone. Suddenly, Medusa became feared by all. Medusa lived on a remote island, surrounded by cliffs and dangerous waters, far from humans. She was clever and cautious, learning to use her powers carefully and avoid unnecessary conflict. Legends tell of brave heroes who sought to defeat her, often underestimating her intelligence and skill. The most famous story involves the hero Perseus. He was sent on a seemingly impossible mission to bring back Medusa's head. Perseus didn't rush in blindly. He received magical gifts to help him succeed. Athena gave him a polished shield, Hermes lent him winged sandals, and a magical bag held Medusa's head safely. Using the reflection in his shield, Perseus approached Medusa carefully. The snakes hissed and twisted, the wind whistled, and the tension was thick. With courage and clever thinking, Perseus safely beheaded Medusa and placed her head in the magical bag. Did you know? Medusa's story teaches kids about cleverness and courage. Even when facing frightening challenges, thinking carefully and using tools wisely can help you succeed. Even after her defeat, Medusa's head retained its magical power, helping Perseus defeat dangerous enemies and save people in need. Medusa's story also reminds us that appearances can be deceiving. She was once kind and beautiful, but fear and misunderstanding changed how others saw her. Through her tale, children learn lessons about empathy, wisdom, and respecting others. Medusa's adventures inspire kids to be brave, clever, and thoughtful in difficult situations. Her story teaches that challenges can be overcome with careful thinking, courage, and heart. And so, Medusa remains one of the most unforgettable characters in Greek mythology, a figure whose tale mixes magic, danger, and important lessons. Next time you hear about Medusa, remember her cleverness, courage, and the adventures that made her story legendary. Thank you for joining us on this magical adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more amazing myths and fun facts with Amara's Good Stuff.